Hi and welcome to my DIY with Marjaana channel. Today we are making plant markers. It's finally spring when I'm posting this video, so it's time for planting. I've been busy with these flowers and now I'm making markers for my seed, so I'll know exactly what I've planted and where. First, roll out the sheet of clay a few millimeters thick. Then place a wooden stick inside the clay. This is because the clay will be sealed with varnish, which isn't food safe and I don't want it touching the soil. So the wooden part will go into the ground, so we can be sure no varnish chemicals leach into the soil. Especially important if you're growing edible plants. Place the stick between the folded clay and roll it flat again. Turn it over carefully so the stick doesn't poke through. Then cut the clay into a long rectangular shape. Next, use letter stamps to press the plant's name into the clay. Once the clay is completely dry, you can sand the markers smooth. Remember to wear a face mask and wipe away any dust afterwards. Now it's time for the paint. I painted the letters with acrylic paint so they stand out. And the paint can be quite watery. And then wipe away the excess paint with a damp cloth. When the paint is dry, seal the clay part with waterproof varnish, so you can use them outdoors too. And we're done. I think they turned out quite nice, and as I mentioned earlier, the wooden stick is there so that only the wood touches the soil, keeping any toxins from the varnish away from your plants. A great bonus is that since clay shrinks a bit when it dries, you can actually pull the stick out and replace it if it gets too wet. Thank you for watching, and I would be so grateful if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And see you again in the next video. Bye!